Alright, here's the plan. I'm gonna get KH35 on my Midland WR300, and then get WWG53 with my HH54 version 15, and then WXM33 with everybody. Hopefully, that'll work. And hopefully I don't have a real friggin' issue with the 400 or 100, because what the 100 didn't activate one time, and then the 400 has the unrecognized message.
Thursday night, west winds 15 to 20 knots becoming northwest 5 to 15 knots. Showers likely in the evening, then a chance of showers overnight. Waves 3 to 6 feet subsiding to 1 to 3 feet. Waves occasionally around 7
It is
feet.
10:59.
The water temperature off Toledo is 61 degrees, off Cleveland 63 degrees, and off Erie 61 degrees. Now here is the synopsis. Dry and seasonably warm weather.
If only Discord would shut up, jeez.
A Thursday cold front. The forecast for west central Pennsylvania. For rest of today, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. For tonight, mainly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour.
Is it 11? Yes.
For Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning, then partly sunny with a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 60s.
WAHE is going off too.
Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. The forecast for...
Alright, WWG is done. KIH, I know, went off.
KIH 35 serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And, in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast.
I'm not counting this KIH as an EAS because I have the 300 for KIH.